let me just go through this one, the inverse, yeah, the inverse trigonometry. So when you have y equals arcus sin x, then the derivative will be 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. And then we also have arcus of cos. It is very easy because what you need to memorize only the sign, the arcus sign, and the arcus cos, the difference only the negative. You add the negative in front of the fraction. Okay? Next page, page 16. We have also y equal to arcus tangent. So the derivative will be 1 over 1 plus x squared, or x squared plus 1. Again, the same thing. For arcus cotangent x, then the y prime, you just need to add the negative in front.
What is this?
This one is inverse trigonometry. I will tell you later. Yeah. Arcus cotangent x. Done. Now let's take a look second. So the y prime will be 1 over x times root x squared minus 1. Well, again, the same thing for cosecant x. You just need to add the negative. So then you only need to memorize 3, yeah, from this. Okay, so let's take a look 1a. Y equals arcus tangent x minus 3 over x plus 3. Terakhir ya, terakhir ya. So the y prime will be arcus tangent something, right? According to our memorizing, arcus tangent x is equivalent to 1 over x squared plus 1. So then it's just simply 1 over x squared plus 1. And because this is not really x, you times it with the derivative of this. And the derivative of this will be quotient rule. So it's just simply u prime phi minus u phi prime over by v squared. Okay? So then this will be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 1 times x squared plus 6x plus 9 over by x squared plus 6x plus 9 times with 6 over by x plus 3 squared. So then this will be x plus 3 squared. We switch this, swap, yeah. And this one will be over by 2x squared plus 18 times 6 over by x plus 3 squared. So you can cancel this. And then divide by 2. So 3 over x squared plus 9. Yeah, we have y equals page 16. So we have arcus second of 1 over 2x minus by arcus cos, yes, 2x. Okay, so let me refine the form. This will be arcus second of half x to the minus 1 minus by, yes, arcus cos 2x. Okay, Now let's try to differentiate this. Arcsecond is 1 over, please be recalled, when you have y equal to arcsecond x, then it will be 1 over apa x roots, sorry, 1 over x roots x square minus 1. Correct? If you have y equal arcus cos x, then it will be 1 over negative.
Emang ini pakai Z nggak dikasih tahu sih?
Enggak. Negative 1 over roots 1 minus x squared. Okay? Sorry, this one is square. So let's apply this. But in this case, it is not x, so we're gonna use chain rule. Ya kan? Arcsecond x, so it will be 1 over x, and our x now is half x to the negative 1 roots x squared, so it becomes 1/4 x to the negative 2 minus 1, and then times it with the chain rule of ini negative half x to the negative 2.
Sekali lah.
Kenapa?
Soalnya bukan X.
Duh, udah x tadi. Oh ya, ini
Maksudnya
dikali
kan
ini.
dia minta arcsec X, berarti
Nah,
2X.
ini makanya saya kalikan ini.
Iya.
Sudah toh? Selesai. Continue with arcus cos, ya, arcus cos. Minus arcus cos, because arcus cos the derivative is negative, so it becomes positive. 1 over roots 1 minus x square. Our x square here is 4x square, right? So then we have to times it with the chain rule, right? The chain here is just simply 2. Because this is the x of, this is the x, and this is the x. If possible, so this will be negative half 1 over x square, right? Over by half 1 over x roots, how much? I can say that this one is 4x square 1 minus 4x square plus by 2 over roots 1 minus 4x square. So then I can cancel half, and I can cancel 1 of the x, so then it just become negative 1 over, I move the x at the bottom, and this will be roots 1 minus 4x square, and this one will be just 2x, right, because of the square root, and I can cancel again the x, plus 2 over 1 minus 4x squared. And I don't like this result. This will be negative 2 over by roots 1 minus 4x squared plus 2 over by roots 1 minus 4x squared. 0. Kembali yuk. Okay, let's take a look number 2. Y equals arcus cot of 3x over by 1 minus 9x squared. Okay, so if it is arcus cot x, then it will be just simply negative 1 over x squared plus 1. But this time it becomes more complicated. Negative 1 over, this is the x squared, so our x squared will be 9x squared over by 1 minus 9x squared plus 1, and then times it with the derivative of this. And the derivative of this is u over v. So we're gonna apply quotient rule. So then it becomes u prime v minus u v prime.
Bentar. Kok bisa 9x kuadrat per 1?
Karena x kuadrat, ini kan x-nya. Ini kan x-nya. Kalau di kuadrat kan ini jadi 9x kuadrat.
X itu.
Soalnya kan arkes cot x.
Pakai chain rule.
Yeah. And then u times v prime okay, over by v square. Sampai sini setuju?
Turunan itu kayak gitu.
Karena yang harus diturunkan kan ini. Nah ini tuh bentuknya u over v. Berarti kan pakai quotient rule. Nah ini quotient rule. U prime v minus u v prime. Nah v prime nya ini ada chain rule-nya lagi di dalamnya. Gampang banget. Iya. Butuh teliti itu caranya tinggal latihan. Pasti jadi teliti. Tapi latihan itu ruginya waktu gitu kan. Kalian kan rugi sama waktu. Oh iya, rugi tenaga.
Rugi
Hah?
kertas, rugi kertas.
Boys, I. Okay, next. 1 over, let's simplify this. It becomes 9x squared plus 1 minus 9x squared over by 1 minus 9x squared. Kita samakan denominatornya. And then for this one, let's simplify this to 9. So then it becomes 3. Sorry. 3 1 minus 9x squared plus, because negative and negative, 27x, because 3 times 9, 27x over by
X kuadrat loh, Pak.
roots. Kok bisa? Oh iya. 1 minus 9x squared over by another 1 minus 9x squared. Now we make the denominator for this to be the same again. Yeah. Minus, just swap this, become 1 minus this over by just 1, yeah? Over by just 1 and times with this become 3 times 1 minus 9x squared plus 27x squared over by this.
Oh, Bapak kali.
Disamain penyebutnya. Nah terus ini juga ada di sini kan, tak taruh sini ya. 1 minus 9x squared. So then you can cancel this and it will result negative. I will put the negative in front first. Negative 3 minus 27x squared plus 27x squared over by roots 1 minus 9x squared. So then 27 just gone. So it becomes just negative 3 over by roots 1 minus 9x squared.